Welcome to Ajaccio Corsica, where turquoise waters meet mountainous landscapes and the streets whisper tales of Napoleon's childhood. If your cruise itinerary includes a stop here, consider yourself lucky. Ajaccio is one of those rare ports where stunning views, rich history, and relaxed Mediterranean charm all come together, without the overwhelming crowds. We're going to show you exactly how to make the most of your port day in Ajaccio. You'll get practical tips, local transport options, and the top must-see sites. We've even included links in the video description to recommended local tours, which, by the way, often cost much less than booking through the cruise ship. So grab a seat, or better yet, a notepad, and let's explore what makes Ajaccio one of the most surprisingly rewarding stops in the Mediterranean. About Ajaccio. Ajaccio is the capital of Corsica, a French island in the Mediterranean that's closer to Italy than to mainland France. It's the largest city on the island, with about 70,000 residents, and its laid-back energy is perfect for a one-day adventure. But don't let the size fool you. This is the birthplace of Napoleon Bonaparte, and the town is steeped in history, from grand old churches to fortress walls and statues of the man himself. What makes Ajaccio especially appealing for cruise travelers is how walkable and compact it is. From the moment you disembark, you're already surrounded by pastel buildings, waterfront cafes, and winding old town streets. No shuttle buses, no long waits. Just step off and start exploring. The cruise port, walking from the ship. Your ship will dock at the port of Ajaccio, which is located directly beside the town centre. This is as convenient as it gets. From the pier, it's less than a 5-minute walk to reach Place Foch, the heart of the old town. You'll pass markets, gelato stands, souvenir shops, and even a Napoleonic statue or two before you've walked a block. There's no need to worry about transport if you're planning to stay within Ajaccio itself. But if you want to go further, say, to a beach or a mountain viewpoint, there are easy, affordable options we'll get to shortly. Top 5 things to see in Ajaccio. All right, let's get into what most of you came here for. The top sites you should not miss during your day in Ajaccio. These are all doable in one visit, even on foot, with optional short rides to maximize your time. 1. The Old Town. Start your journey in Place Foch, the central square surrounded by palm trees and lined with cafes. You'll see the fountain with Napoleon standing proud, and early in the day, a lively local market selling cheeses, cured meats, Corsican wine, and handmade soaps. It's perfect for browsing or picking up a souvenir that doesn't scream tourist. From there, wander up Rue Cardinal Fesch, a charming pedestrian street that leads to one of Ajaccio's cultural highlights. 2. Fesch Museum and Imperial Chapel. This is where you'll find the Musée Fesch, home to one of the largest collections of Italian paintings in France, second only to the Louvre. It was founded by Napoleon's uncle and features works by Botticelli, Tiziano, and other Renaissance masters. Even if you're not a museum buff, the building itself is worth a quick look. Right next door is the Chapelle Impériale, the imperial family's burial chapel, where several Bonapartes are laid to rest. These two sites are close together and rarely crowded, an excellent mid-morning stop before things heat up. 3. Maison Bonaparte, Napoleon's birthplace. Ajaccio's most famous resident, Napoleon Bonaparte, was born right here in 1769, and his childhood home has been preserved as a museum. Maison Bonaparte gives you a look into the domestic life of one of history's most polarizing figures. It's a surprisingly intimate experience. Old furniture, family portraits, and artifacts that bring the Bonaparte story to life. Guided tours are available in multiple languages. Bonus, it's just around the corner from the main square, so it's easy to fit in. 4. Parata Peninsula and the Sanguinaires Islands viewpoint. Now, if you're looking to stretch your legs, or just want some jaw-dropping scenery, head to the Parata Peninsula, about 10 kilometres west of town. This rugged stretch of coast offers spectacular views of the Îles Sanguinaires, the Bloody Islands, named for the red hue they take on at sunset. You'll also find a Genoese tower at the top of the peninsula and several walking trails with photo-worthy outlooks. The easiest way to get here is by taxi or with a local mini train that leaves from the port area. Or for something extra special, book a half-day tour that includes the viewpoint, a stop at a local beach, and optional wine tasting. We've linked one of our favourites in the description below. 5. Ajaccio Cathedral. A short walk from Place Foch lies the Cathedral of Ajaccio, where Napoleon was baptised. This Baroque church is small but full of character, with painted ceilings, carved altars, and a peaceful interior that offers a break from the midday sun. There's no entry fee, and you won't need more than 20 minutes here, unless you want to sit and soak in the ambience like a local. Getting around. Transport tips. As we mentioned, most sites are walkable, but if you're looking to go further, here are your options. Mini tourist train. This departs from the port and does a full loop including Parata Peninsula. Great if you want views, but not the hike. Local bus, Line 5. Inexpensive and reliable for reaching beaches like Marinella. Taxis, readily available at the port, though they can be expensive compared to group tours. Private local tours. If you want to get the most out of your day, small group or private Viata tours are a great option. They often include the highlights and allow you to skip the logistics. You'll find links in the description to some of the highest rated tour options we've vetted ourselves. Bonus tip, the best beaches near Ajaccio. If you've done your sightseeing and want to unwind for the afternoon, Ajaccio offers several beautiful beaches. Plage Saint-François, just a 10-minute walk from the port. Small but scenic. Plage du Trottel, a little further, about 20 to 25 minutes on foot. Great for a dip and often less crowded. Capo di Feno, the locals' favourite but harder to reach. You'll need a taxi or tour to get there, but it's absolutely worth it if you're looking for a wild, unspoiled beach. Markets, shops, and local finds. Corsica is proud of its regional products, and Ajaccio is a great place to sample or buy. Corsican cheeses like brocchu. Charcuterie, wild boar sausages are popular. Honey and fig jams. Handmade soaps infused with local herbs. You'll find many of these at the market in Place Foch or on Rue Fesch. But be mindful, some shops close during the afternoon for a siesta. Yes, really. Why travellers love Ajaccio. Ajaccio doesn't try to impress with over-the-top attractions. It wins you over with atmosphere, accessibility, and authenticity. It's a place where you can go from strolling historic streets to hiking coastal cliffs, all in the same afternoon. And the best part? You can see most of it without booking a pricey cruise ship tour. That's where independent local tours shine. You get a smaller group, a local guide who knows the area inside and out, and often a much better price. If you're ready to explore Ajaccio with confidence, check the description below. We've listed some of our favourite hand-picked tours via Viator, trusted by thousands of cruise passengers just like you. Thanks for joining us on this virtual walk through Ajaccio Corsica. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Day Trip Ideas for more cruise port travel guides. Our channel is dedicated to helping cruise travellers like you get more out of every port, save money, and have unforgettable experiences. We've got guides just like this for dozens of Mediterranean ports, and new ones dropping every week. Check the description for tour links, related videos, and tips to help you plan the perfect day in port. Wherever your ship takes you next, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next port video.